This avocado salad is packed with seafood and perfect for summer. It's really easy to whip up and also makes a great salad for a barbecue party or a picnic. Let's begin. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Bring a saucepan of water to a boil and add some salt and cooking wine. Add the prawns and cook for about 5 minutes until cooked through, and then peel, devein and cut into dices. Quickly blend the crab meat to warm up and reduce the smell. Cut the cherry tomatoes into quarters, remove the seeds and dice. Finally mix the shallots. For the salad dressing, mix together yogurt, mayonnaise sauce and chili sauce. Add some chopped cilantro for freshness. Cut the avocado in half to open. Dice and scoop out half of the flesh. Keep the other half near the skin still intact. Combine the shrimp, crab meat, avocado flesh with the sauce and season with salt, pepper, and salt powder. Add the chopped cherry tomatoes, shallots, and lime juice. Mix well and stuff the salad back to the avocado. Drizzle more sauce on top and garnish with a cilantro and a few slices of chili. The salad is packed with protein, it's so fresh and tasty. When avocado, mayonnaise, and yogurt are added, the combination of healthy fats make an excellent low-carb meal. Make in just minutes and you can keep it chilled. This is the kind of dish that you want to bring to any party and everyone will be happy. I hope you're success with the recipe. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. I will see you then next time. Bye!